Here we have the Thinkware F70 Dashcam from the RAC Shop. At the moment this retails for £79, so it's one of their more budget range dashcams. Full 1080p at 30 frames per second, 140 degree wide angled, energy saving and thermal protection. So let's have a look to see what we get in the box. That's what it looks like inside the box. There's the dashcam and a few other accessories. Let's take a closer look at them. So we get the F70 manual and installation instructions. You get an 8GB micro SD card and an adapter, an SD card adapter. You also get the dashcam mount with an adjustable head, and below that is a 3M sticker to stick to your windscreen. You also get a replacement 3M sticker for when the other one runs out. Also some 3M stickers. These are cable clips for routing the cables in the car. And when ordering this dashcam, you'll also get the accessory, the in-car charger. And finally, the F7 dashcam itself. And this is what you'll get when you buy the F70. Let's take a closer look at the dashcam itself. So the F70 is a smart and well-designed dashcam. Has the lens at the front along with the Thinkware logo. A nice matte black finish as well. On the top we have the connector for the mount. Just to the right of that we have the DC in, so that is obviously where you're going to be putting your in-car charger to provide power to the device. If you come underneath, you have a micro SD card slot. Obviously you get the 8GB included in this package, so you can use that. So just there we have a microphone as well. So we come down to this end, you will see a record button, and above that you can buy an optional GPS device to connect to it. And just on the edge you can see the power indicator. So that was the Thinkware F70. Links are in the description below for the RAC shop. Take a look at it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.